Hello and welcome back. Today's lesson is very practical. We're going to the bank. Whether you need to open an account, make a transfer, or deal with a problem with your card, knowing the right English for banking situations will give you so much confidence. Let's start. Let's imagine you've just arrived in a new country and you need to open a bank account. Here's how the conversation might go. Hello, I'd like to open a current account, please. Cashier, of course. Have you banked with us before? No, this is my first time. What do I need to bring? Cashier, you'll need a valid ID, a passport or driving license, and proof of address. Key vocabulary: current account, an everyday account for spending and receiving money. Savings account, an account where you save money and earn interest. Proof of address, a document showing where you live, like a utility bill. Valid ID, identification that is still current and not expired. More questions you might ask. Is there a monthly fee for this account? What is the interest rate on the savings account? How long does it take to set up? Will I get a debit card with this account? Now let's look at the language for common banking transactions. Paying in money, depositing. I'd like to pay in some cash, please. I'd like to deposit this check. Can I pay this into my account? Withdrawing money. I'd like to withdraw £200, please. Can I take out some cash? I need to make a cash withdrawal. Transferring money. I need to make a bank transfer. I'd like to transfer money to another account. Can I set up a standing order for my rent? A standing order is a regular automatic payment useful for rent or subscriptions. A direct debit is similar, but the amount can vary, like a phone bill. Checking your balance. Can you tell me my current balance, please? I'd like to check how much is in my account. Has this payment come out yet? Now let's look at how to deal with banking problems. Hopefully you won't need these, but it's good to be prepared. Lost or stolen card. I need to report my card as lost. My card has been stolen. Can you cancel it immediately? I'd like to order a replacement card. Suspicious transactions. I don't recognize this transaction on my statement. There's a charge on my account that I didn't make. I think I may have been a victim of fraud. Can you investigate this for me? Card problems. My card was declined. Can you tell me why? My card isn't working, it keeps getting rejected. I've forgotten my PIN. How do I reset it? Being put on hold or transferred. I'm going to put you through to our fraud department. You'll need to speak to a specialist about that. One moment. Can I take your account number so we can verify your identity? More and more people manage their finances online or by phone. Here's some useful language. Setting up online banking. I'd like to register for online banking. How do I set up the mobile app? What do I need to log in for the first time? Security questions you might be asked. Can you confirm your date of birth? What is your memorable word? Can you confirm the last 3 transactions on your account? Useful online banking vocabulary. Payee, the person or company you're paying. Sort code, a 6-digit code identifying your bank branch. Used in the UK. IBAN, international bank account number. Used for international transfers. Reference, a note you add to a payment like rent August or invoice 123. Please make sure to include a reference so we know what the payment is for. Excellent work. Here's what we covered. We learned how to open an account and what documents you need. We practiced transaction vocabulary: deposit, withdraw, transfer, standing order, direct debit. We covered how to report problems: lost cards, suspicious transactions, declined payments. And we looked at online banking language: payee, sort code, IBAN, reference. Practice by looking at your own bank's website in English, read the menus, the account types, the FAQs. It's great real-world practice. See you in the next lesson.